Hello, and welcome to my channel. Today, we'll be talking about OnPay versus its competitors in the world of small business payroll. When I first started my business, the payroll process was a headache. I spent too much time manually calculating taxes and filing forms. That's what led me to research and eventually try a few different payroll services, including OnPay. Here's the straight truth based on my experience. OnPay's edge: pricing and support. For me, OnPay's greatest strength is its simplicity and value. They offer one straightforward pricing plan, which is a massive relief compared to competitors like Gusto or QuickBooks Payroll that have confusing multi-tier packages. Transparent pricing. It's one base fee plus a set amount per person, and that includes everything full-service payroll, all tax filings, and robust HR tools. There are no hidden fees for things like year-end forms or multiple pay runs. Customer support. This is where OnPay truly shines. Their support team is fantastic, knowledgeable, and responsive. When I had a complex state tax setup issue, they walked me through it quickly. With some other competitors, getting a real person on the line felt like a monumental task. Multi-state payroll. If you have employees in more than one state, OnPay handles it effortlessly with no extra charges, which is a significant plus over many base-tier competitors. The competitors' advantages. However, OnPay isn't for everyone. Its main competitors, like Gusto and QuickBooks Payroll, offer things OnPay doesn't, depending on what your business needs. Integration. QuickBooks Payroll. If you already use QuickBooks for your accounting, their payroll solution offers the most seamless native integration. It simplifies your bookkeeping because everything is already under the Intuit umbrella. HR and global reach. Gusto and Rippling Gusto has a slightly more polished, modern interface and offers more comprehensive HR tools and benefits options right out of the box. For very fast-growing companies or those with a global team, Rippling and Gusto offer features like global payroll and device management that OnPay just doesn't have. Ease of use for employees. While OnPay is easy for the admin me, some competitors have a more refined, user-friendly mobile app for employees to check pay stubs and manage PTO, which can be a small advantage for employee self-service. If you're a small to medium-sized business owner who values clear, transparent pricing, exceptional, personalized customer support, and robust, all-in-one HR features, OnPay is likely your best bet. It provides enterprise-level features at a small business price. If your priority is absolute synchronization with QuickBooks accounting software, then their native payroll solution might save you more steps. And if you need to hire internationally, then you'll have to look at a provider like Rippling or Gusto's higher tiers. For me, the peace of mind that came with OnPay's error-free guarantee and incredible customer service made it the clear winner. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.